Hi Cancerians, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for the month of November 2020. Before we dive into the video, do us a favor and click the like button to help spread the word about Tara with Ariana Stark. I would be thankful for your support, so please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell so you are informed about our future videos. I will rely on tarot for your overall messages. Please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. Cancerians, please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. For your love life, I will also tap into this deck and I'll also use some past life messages that you're going to get in this month. Maybe there are healing issues that you have to deal with. So if we address these issues, then definitely Cancerians will feel lighter. Another deck that we have here is a Lenormand deck, so I will tap into this as well. So let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November for Cancerians, we have the card The Hermit. Certainly, this was a time when you had gained a lot of insight. Perhaps things were not going the way you have desired. There were disagreements that you had to deal with. But you may have also realized that it would be prudent or it would have been wiser if you had buried the hatchet and moved on. Sometimes you may have also felt unwanted within the home front. Maybe you have issues with a female figure. So that could also have affected your relationship or the way you have looked or your outlook towards life. Basically, even at work, you may have been called upon to redo the work. Maybe the final output was not to your liking. Some of you may have also focused on self-love and healing or grooming yourself. Obstacles to overcome or the challenges that we are facing or Cancerians are going to face this month, we have the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Wands is definitely a person who is quite magnetic. So you're coming across as someone who's quite magnetic. So definitely you'll be wooed by the opposite sex. I also feel that sometimes you will be willing to address issues. So maybe you will take the bull by the horn, and if people are going to put you down or if there's the confrontation going on, then you will go ahead and you'll speak up. But then there are also those times when you think it's best to be quiet and to be mute in circumstances or situations. Some of you may also have to deal with betrayal, or maybe there could be people around you who are sharpening their knives behind your back. Whatever it is, this is also the month when you'll be called upon to run errands for your family members. Maybe you're being accused of being too self-centered as well, but then, or there may be lack of support also, which is coming from your family members or your loved ones and acquaintances. But still, I think Cancerians, you should seek divine intervention, because divine intervention will definitely see you through in this month. Besides, even if there are roadblocks and interruptions, we can do nothing but we need to soldier on. Influences for the month, we have the Five of Cups. As you see, it seems to be a female-dominated month for Cancerians. We have lots of females here, meaning 2 females have already come up in this reading. I also feel that maybe you'll feel at sea or you'll feel a bit emotionally low because this lady, she is covering her face with her hands. Maybe you need to take a back seat sometimes rather than involve yourself in other people's affairs. Sometimes you may be also accused of being meddlesome. Perhaps you're poking your nose. Ideally, I think Cancerians, you should also clarify before you before you point fingers at others or before you accuse somebody of something. So basically it's because of your emotions, and Cancerians, you're quite temperamental as beings. You can be very good natured also, or sometimes you could be also a bit crabby. So you need to keep into account these factors. You should also accept that this is something which is as per God's plan or whatever the universe has for you. So whatever it is, you need to be a bit more tactful or be a bit more calm in this month. Work-wise also, you may feel that your superior or somebody whom you're dealing with as at the higher authorities, they don't give you the time and they expect you to carry on with the tasks immediately. Maybe they'll give you an assignment and that could put you in a spot of bother. But however, there'll be people or there'll be support coming in, so there'll be others who will rally around you. You'll have to deal with the distractions or even the interruptions that are going to come about this month. The first 10 days of November, we have the Six of Swords. The Six of Swords, maybe you could be undecided about how to proceed, but then you should capitalize, you should grab the opportunities, and you should get up and do the needful. I also feel communication will increase in this period. Some of you may also be dealing with a lot of official work or paperwork, or sometimes even technical issues could also be there. Perhaps you should also be calm when dealing with a father figure or with a male figure, that is. Basically, Cancerians, you need to grab the opportunities, you have to set sail and you have to move about, or maybe you think that it's not going to come about whatever you desire, but then everything will fall in place in the end. So you should do whatever is required. The health of a family member could also be a cause for concern, or you could be a bit fretful because of that. At work also, you may feel that there could be times when you're very filled with anxiety, or you're angst-ridden and tense. Maybe you have too much to handle. So perhaps you should thrash out issues, and perhaps you should also work in a very professional manner. Maybe you should do the groundwork before you move forward. Those who have been underestimating your talent, or those who may have felt that you may not do justice to your own self, they could have to eat their words, because you will prove yourself beautifully in this first 10 days. 11th to 20th November, we have the Page of Pentacles for Cancerians. So minor gains can definitely be expected. Again, communication is going to be enhanced throughout this month, so you need to be careful about that, so how you utter. Sometimes you may also be coming across as someone who is a wise owl. Maybe your words of wisdom could help other people, but you should also realize that maybe family members or somebody needs your assistance with respect to money. So you will definitely do the needful when you come to know about what is required from you. So other than that, I think Cancerians, those who are dealing with customers or clients, maybe you should ink the deal before you go ahead, because there's a possibility that the client may dither or maybe dilly-dally when respect to paying up your dues, and this could leave you a bit down and out. Even on the social media, I think you shouldn't promote yourself as much as you would have liked, especially between 11th to 20th November. Maybe there could be unnecessary hassles as well. Also, in another thing I'm picking up just like that, I think that Cancerians, if you're dealing with any kind of paperwork, you should be very careful about it, whether it's a stock market or whether it's official work, whatever it is. The final days of November, that is 21st to 30th November, we have the Death card. So the Death card talks about transition. It brings about a change in our life, or a metamorphosis. So we have to undergo this change. We cannot create a hindrance to the change, because resistance can make life even more unnerving or even more difficult for us. Maybe there will also be pressing matters that you have to attend to. Sometimes it would also be advisable to make concessions for your clients or those whom you are dealing with. Sometimes we don't get what we desire, but something is better than nothing, right? So maybe you should make allowances for your clients in this period. Little gains will definitely come your way. So maybe it's not like you want 100%, but then you have to settle for less. So that's about it. Other than that, I think those who are at the helm of affairs, I think you'll be pleased with the feedback that you get from your juniors. Maybe they think that you give them the freedom to carry on the task the way they would have liked. So that means that you're helping them blossom at work, and they're grateful for that. But then those workers who are always shirking work, or those who are not professional, will definitely get a piece of your mind. On the love front, I have the card Mute. Cancerians, I definitely think that you should verbalize whatever is it that you're feeling about this person, or maybe there's a period of no communication. So you need to address those issues, because these issues could become bigger issues later on. So perhaps it's best to thrash them right away rather than let them boil over. Another thing, I also feel that certainly Cancerians, there'll be certainly admirers for you. There'll be, because you're coming across as a Queen of Wands, you're quite attractive and everything to the opposite sex. So definitely you will find that there are suitors who will make it known to you that they are interested in you. Maybe they can, the thing and the song that I'm getting is Can't Get You Out of My Head by Kylie Minogue. So these people, or those who have you on, I mean those who have a crush on you, they certainly cannot get you out of their head. Maybe they will also go out of their way to help you out when you need work, or maybe if you are dealing with a shopkeeper or somebody who's interested in you, whether online or whether whatever, whoever you're dealing with, maybe they'll make some allowances for you. So it is apparent that they are crushing on you. Those who are in an on-again, off-again relationship, maybe this is the time, or this is the time to reconnect with that person. Some of you may also be disinterested in case an ex-flame tries to reach out to you. So whatever it is, distance could also be a factor in your relationship this month. On the other hand, those who are already romancing, like I said, you should be more expressive. Maybe you should go sweet nothing. Sometimes you think that your partner isn't as demonstrative as you would have liked. Even you may not be as demonstrative. Maybe you're also dealing with a partner who's insecure, so you have to reassure him. Some of you may also want to go about telling your parents or your loved ones that you have someone, or you're dating somebody, or you have feelings for someone, but then maybe this is not the right time. So maybe you should go mute there as well. Maybe you need to hold your tongue right now. Married Cancerians, I think your spouse could be quite concerned about the security of his loved ones or about you also. So basically, I think you should inform him if you're caught up with work or if you have some plans, so that he's also aware of what's going on. Sometimes you may also think that situations arise when you are made the scapegoat. So maybe that is why you could be a bit withdrawn, and you will be mindful of that you may not want to talk about it or that. Those who are estranged or in an unhappy marriage, they may also be contemplating about the future of the marriage. Maybe you may also want to walk out on your partner. Your child's health or a person's health could also be a factor this month, Cancerians. A past life issue that you're dealing with this month is the mother. It's ironic, isn't it, that I had talked about females playing a dominant role in this month, and we have the mother card. So maybe there are issues with the mother, or the mother whom you have in this life has also been a mother in a past life. So resolve whatever issues there are, because the mother is the one who always has our best interests at heart. Sometimes we do have unhappy relationships, but maybe you should forgive and forget and live together in harmony, or balance the karma that is there, that you need to do for your soul to be free. From the Lenormand deck, I have the card Books. Whoa, this is a card where the mother is reading to her children from books. And we have the card Books over here. So certainly, I think Cancerians, you need to you need to research or delve deeper, whether in your relationships or whether with respect to work. Maybe you want to add to your skill set, so it's a time to enroll for that classes that you have been thinking about. Maybe even online classes is a possibility. Some of you may also be interested in the occult sciences, because there are negative energies around you. So maybe you need to do some aura cleansing as well to let go of the fear factor, or the fearful energies or fear-based energies that are hindering your progress. I hope Cancerians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. This was your forecast for November 2020. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. I would also like to add here that we have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. We also have some pick a card readings. Maybe you can have a look at that as well, to understand what are the energies that are there around you with respect to a particular question. Thank you so much once again, Cancerians. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.